Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Fortnite. Whenever trying to launch the game, you got the error Fortnite stuck on the loading screen or at the connecting screen. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, open your Windows security application. Now here, click on the option Firewall and Network Protection. Now under the public network, private network as well as domain network, go ahead, click each of the following and you need to choose the option off so that your firewall is completely turned off. After turning off the firewall, in next step, if you have installed any third party antivirus such as Norton, Avast or AVG, make sure you completely disable these antiviruses. Another antivirus is Bitdefender. This antivirus seems to be conflict with Fortnite anti-cheat software and in turn doesn't let you play the game. So make sure you uninstall this Bitdefender antivirus from your PC. Now if this method failed to work out, in next step, right click on taskbar and choose the option Task Manager. Now here click on the option Startup Apps. Now whichever the startup apps are installed or automatically started in your PC, you need to right click on each of the app and choose the option Disable. Make sure you disable each and every startup app right in this Task Manager and then try to launch the game to fix out the issue of Fortnite stuck on the loading screen or at the connecting screen. Now if this failed to work out, in next step, open up your Epic Launcher or Steam where you have installed the game and click on the option Library. Click on this 3-dot icon and from here click on the option Manage. Now here under the launch options, if it is turned off, turn it on and type in -DX11. Once you have done this, close it and launch the game. If this doesn't work, again head over to Manage Launch Options and change DX11 to DX12. Make sure you do a hit and trial with DX11 and DX12 to play the Fortnite game. Same for Steam users. Head over to Library, right click on the game and choose the option Properties. Here under the General tab, you will find the option of Launch Options. Go ahead, type in -DX11 or -DX12 to check which method works out for you, either it is DX11 or DX12. Now if this method failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. In next step, simply go ahead and launch the game, and after launching the game, whenever you are in the party, just ask your friends or users simply remove you from the party. Once the users remove you from the party, right at the connecting screen, you will join the game instantly. This is a simple tip, however works for many users. Just ask your friends to remove you from the party whenever you got a screen connecting while playing the game. Now if this tip doesn't work out, let's proceed with the next step. Go ahead and simply launch the game. Now once you are logged in, click on your profile icon and from here click on this gear icon to launch the settings. Now from here under the display, you will find the option of rendering mode. Go ahead and choose the option Performance Lower Graphical Fidelity. After choosing these settings, click on the option Apply. Now go ahead and restart now and the game will restart it and it will fix out the issue of Fortnite stuck on loading screen or at the connecting screen. Now if this method doesn't work out, let's proceed with the next step. Right click on Start menu and choose the option Run. Type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now whichever your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is, right click on it and choose the option Properties. Click on TCP/IP v4 and hit the Properties option and choose the second option, which is use the following DNS server address. Now type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS type in 8.8.4.4. Now click on the option OK. Now close it. Now click on Start menu, type CMD, run CMD as an administrator. Type here command ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit the enter key. Once you have done it, close it, relaunch Epic Launcher and this will completely fix out the issue of Fortnite stuck at loading screen or connecting screen. However, if all the method fails, you need to check your hard disk if it is failing or not. Click on Start menu and type on Memory Diagnostics. Choose the option and click on the option Restart Now and check for problems. The system will restart and it will provide you the reason if your hard disk is failing or not. So again, if your hard disk is failing, you need to restart, you need to replace your hard disk in order to play Fortnite. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.